Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Ariana Grande's album cover, hair, and makeup. It's very simple, but it's really pretty and glowy, and I love it. I'm kind of living for it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below, and make sure you put on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. I'm uploading every day this month from July 1st to July 21st, so you don't want to miss out. Yeah, if you want to see how to get Ariana Grande's album cover, makeup, hair, and see me try to recreate the picture, then please just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off with this L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade W3 Nude Beige. And I'm going to put that on my face. Actually, wait to prime. I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth. Can't forget that. You think Ariana has pores? No. She's not real. And then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend everything out. Moving on to concealer, I'm using my NARS. What else? I'm going to conceal those bags because you know Ariana don't have those. Ariana definitely baked. I'm going to take my Kat Von D translucent powder and just bake my face. Now that we look crazy and I'm in a mess, oh my god, I'm going to take a little bit of my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil just to bronze up a bit. I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit and take the shade Fawn, which is this one that's like gone. And I'm going to take that on a small brush, like this blender brush, and contour my cheeks with it, just so we get a really defined contour. Okay, I'm going to wipe away the bake. I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow shade in this palette. Just try to cancel out these dark circles. A bit of Fawn on a pencil brush and just contour the underneath of my lip, because her lip is super pouty and mine's not. And I'm going to contour my Cupid's bow as well, because if you contour that, it makes it look like your lip like goes up more. You know what I mean? I'm also going to contour my nose with whatever is left over and make it look skinnier and more like a button nose, like Ariana's. Now I'm going to just take my bronzer again and put that through my crease. Her eye look is very simple. Then I'm just going to take it on the pencil brush and smoke up my lower lash line. I'm going to go pretty low with it because hers looks pretty low. And then blend it out. And I'm just going to take the shade Sunrise from my Tarte Toasted palette, this one right here. And I'm just going to put that on my lid, kind of like doing a cut crease, but like obviously not too defined, because that's what hers looks like. Highlight, I'm going to be taking my Carli Bybel palette, of course, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. And it looks like she has like a ton of highlighter on. Like, not a ton, but like it looks like her whole face is glowing. So I'm just going to take it on like a fluffier brush, like this, and just kind of focus it here, but like put it everywhere basically. Like, you can definitely see a shine on the apples of her cheeks in the picture. And I'm going to put a tiny bit on my Cupid's bow and in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now moving on to eyebrows. I can't really get mine to look like the same shape as hers. Hers are more rounded than mine, but I'm just going to fill mine in a tiny bit. Nothing too defined because hers are definitely more natural. I'm going to put on falsies. I'm going to be putting on my Kiss number 11 lashes, these ones. I love these lashes, they're my favorite. Then it looks like she has like the tiniest touch of mascara on her bottom lashes. So I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Telescopic and very lightly put it on. And that's that. And she definitely has some black eyeliner on and just forgot to put it on before the lashes. So go put some on now. And moving on to lips, Ariana has a very nude lip on. So I'm going to take the shade Angel from MAC and put that on first. And she also has a gloss on, so I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier gloss in the shade Bare Baby. It's very light pink. And now we're going to do her hair. So she has it parted on one side. And then it's like very flat to her head. And it's in a pony behind her ear, but like it's over her forehead like that. And just secure it with a scrunchie or anything. It looks like she has it like gelled down like here, but we're not doing that. But yeah, this is the final makeup look and the final hair. Now, if you just want to take a picture like her, like I'm going to, and I'll like set up a little time lapse of it, then you can, and just be like, channel your inner Ariana. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below. And I am uploading every single day of July until the 21st, which is my birthday. So make sure you're subscribed and you put on your post notification bells so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye!